Are you tired of unevenly cooked rice that leaves you disappointed at mealtime? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the best rice cookers on the market, designed to take the hassle out of cooking perfect rice every time. From advanced features that ensure precise cooking to sleek designs that fit seamlessly into your kitchen, we've rounded up top options to suit every budget and cooking style. Join us as we discover the essential tools that will elevate your rice game to new heights. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Aroma Housewares 8-Cup, our find for best budget rice cooker. Are you searching for a versatile rice cooker that can elevate your culinary game? Look no further than the Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Digital Cool Touch Rice Cooker. This kitchen essential is more than just a rice maker. It's your reliable partner for a variety of dishes, from fluffy rice to gourmet quinoa. You'll appreciate the clearly labeled display panel that keeps you updated on the remaining cooking time, making your cooking experience seamless. With 8 convenient presets, ranging from slow cook and saute to steam, you have the freedom to experiment with different recipes without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, if life gets hectic, you can use the delay start function to have your meal ready exactly when you need it. For those busy days, the quick rice function ensures that you can whip up a meal in no time. Cleanup is a breeze too. The design allows for easy wipe downs, making maintenance simple. This appliance consistently delivers perfect results, making it a trustworthy companion in your kitchen adventures. Whether you're a college student managing a busy schedule or searching for a practical housewarming gift for a friend, this rice cooker is an excellent choice. With a capacity of up to 4 cups of uncooked rice and compact dimensions that fit easily into any kitchen space, you'll find that it meets all your cooking needs. Embrace the convenience and let your culinary creativity flourish with this exceptional rice cooker. Number 4. CUCKOO CRP-P1009SB, our find for best rice cooker with pressure cooking. Are you ready to elevate your rice cooking experience? The CUCKOO Large Capacity Pressure Rice Cooker is here to transform mealtime for you. Say goodbye to long waits for perfectly steamed rice. This advanced cooker delivers fluffy grains in no time, making it an essential addition to your kitchen. With 13 customizable menu options at your fingertips, you can easily cater to every craving. Whether you prefer classic white rice or are looking to experiment with trendy sprouted grains, the CUCKOO rice cooker can handle it all. And if you find yourself with leftovers, the reheat option is a game changer, warming your meals evenly without the risk of scorching. This large volume rice cooker is perfect for busy families or anyone with a big appetite for delicious grains. Its sleek and premium design means it won't just sit hidden in a cabinet. It deserves a prominent spot on your countertop. The user-friendly digital interface with low-profile buttons simplifies your cooking experience, making you feel like a savvy kitchen expert, ready to transform your culinary routine. The CUCKOO Large Capacity Pressure Rice Cooker isn't just another appliance. It's a valuable tool that will enhance your meals and provide convenience every day. Embrace the magic of cooking and take your rice game to the next level. Still searching for the perfect rice cooker? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. KitchenAid KGC3155BM, our find for best multi-purpose rice cooker. Are you ready to elevate your cooking experience with a game-changing kitchen gadget? The KitchenAid cooker is here to revolutionize your meal prep. This versatile kitchen companion goes beyond just cooking rice. It also serves as a steamer, allowing you to layer flavors seamlessly as rice, beans, and vegetables come together in harmony. One of the standout features of this cooker is its integrated scale. Say goodbye to tedious measuring. You can simply pour in your grains until it feels right. If you ever go a bit overboard, the cooker will gently remind you to make adjustments, ensuring perfect results every time. For those who love to enhance their meals, there's even a setting for chicken stock, making it easier to infuse your dishes with rich flavors. With settings for various types of rice, beans, and grains, you have complete control over the texture of your food, whether you prefer it firm or soft. Although there isn't a dedicated polenta setting, you can achieve great results by selecting the steel-cut oats option, perfect for brunch dishes. While it might not have traditional sautéing capabilities, the KitchenAid cooker allows you to steam a whole cauliflower while your rice cooks perfectly in the background. This appliance redefines convenience in the kitchen, giving you the freedom to prepare delicious meals with ease. Let the KitchenAid cooker take the stress out of dinner time so you can focus on enjoying your culinary creations. Number 2. Zojirushi NP-HCC10XH are fine for best splurge rice cooker. Are you overwhelmed by the multitude of rice cooker options that promise the perfect meal but often disappoint? Look no further than the Zojirushi rice cooker, a standout choice that elevates your rice cooking experience to new heights. This isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a tool that transforms your grains into fluffy, flavorful rice with remarkable precision. With its elegant design and 11 cooking settings, the Zojirushi offers customized options to suit your preferences. Whether you're preparing standard white rice, craving sushi, or wanting the fragrant notes of jasmine rice, this cooker has got you covered. Its quick cook feature ensures you can enjoy your meal without delay, giving you more time to unwind. One of the standout features is the pre-cooking timer, which allows you to wake up to perfectly steamed rice, ready whenever you are. Plus, its keep warm mode maintains your rice at the ideal temperature for up to 24 hours, perfect for those late-night cravings. The gamma-aminobutyric acid brown rice setting may take a bit longer, but it rewards you with rich, delicious brown rice that transforms ordinary meals into extraordinary ones. After years of reliable performance, the Zojirushi rice cooker continues to be a kitchen companion that supports your culinary journey. Invest in this remarkable cooker to elevate your cooking game and enjoy delightful rice dishes effortlessly. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Zojirushi NS-TSC10 are fine for best rice cooker overall. Are you seeking the ultimate rice cooker to elevate your culinary experience? The Zojirushi NS-TSC10 is your answer. This exceptional appliance harnesses micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology to ensure you achieve perfectly fluffy rice every time, cooking up to 5.5 cups with ease. Designed with your kitchen in mind, the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 combines compactness with powerful performance, making it suitable for any countertop. Say goodbye to the frustration of burnt rice and embrace the convenience of its automatic keep warm and extended keep warm settings, ensuring your rice is always ready to serve, warm and delicious. Plus, with 2 delay time settings, you can plan your meals in advance, allowing you to focus on other tasks while your rice cooks perfectly. When it comes to maintenance, this rice cooker is designed for your convenience. Its clear-coated stainless steel exterior simply requires a hand wash, and the retractable power cord helps keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Want to add steamed veggies to your meal? The versatile steam menu setting allows you to double the use of this cooker, making meal preparation even easier. Upgrade your cooking routine with the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 rice cooker, your new kitchen companion. It transforms rice cooking from a mundane chore into a delightful experience, delivering not just good rice, but gloriously great rice that elevates every meal. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which rice cooker you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.